niguo gutigirira mubango wa motungata wa NHIF ni wateithia muingi kurigitwo mirimu ya ngoro, kuona mirimu ino ikoragwo na ngarama ya iguru kurigita. Gachagua ni atugiririe mubango uyu uria wambiriirie miaka 30 mihituku, akiuga andu aingi ni magunikite naguo.
That 9 out of 10 children born with congenital disorder are in low and middle income countries. Dear runners, that is why the current hospital heart run has become a symbol of compassion, resilience, and hope for children and families affected by congenital and rheumatic heart diseases. As we celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Heart to Heart Foundation, we recognize that hope has been restored to over 400 beneficiaries and their families. I therefore express my deepest gratitude to the current hospital and the Heart to Heart Foundation for the utmost dedication to this noble cause of giving our children a second chance. The current hospital has led by example. I challenge the other hospitals and medical stakeholders to emulate this initiative, which in the long run will complement the government's effort of providing quality health care to our people. Dear runners, as we embark on this year's heart run, we are collectively determined to make a mark in every child's heart through the funds raised. That is how we'll build a society where no child suffers for lack of access to quality health care. The Kenya Kwanza administration under President William Ruto is implementing reforms in the health sector, specifically the National Hospital Insurance Fund. We are determined to increase access to quality health care and reduce the burden of our people.
Thirikari ni yoretio kuongerera kigina kia CDF kuona mabataro ma arutwo ni maingĩ na mbeca iria maragairwo kwa ihinda rĩrĩ itiramaigana, kuona namba ya andu aria marabatara ũteithio ũyũ no ithiĩte na mbere kuongerereka. Mũrũgamo ũyũ ũheanĩtwo nĩ aikari a gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Embakasi ya ithũĩro matongoretio nĩ mũmbunge wao Mark Mũrĩithi Mwenje, kũrĩa maugĩte namba ya aikari icigo-inĩ cia ũmbunge iria irĩ Nairobi nĩ yongererekete mũno, na ũguo harĩ bata mongerero kĩgĩna. Oho nĩ morĩtie gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kuongerera namba ya mathukuru ma secondary county-inĩ ya Nairobi nĩguo kũhotithia arutwo othe kũgĩa na mweke wa kũgĩa na mathomo.
This is one of the projects ya NGCDF and unaona iko nyuma yetu, ndio tunafuatilia. So we are adding 6 classrooms and 2 offices na fully funded by NGCDF. So yetu hapa ni kuangalia education. So tumeweka pesa yetu ya CDF towards education. So today niko na pamoja na team ya NGCDF, ndio chairman wa NGCDF. Tumekuja kuinspect the progress of the works, na so far contractor on time, the workmanship is good with the new systems coming in education. Yetu ni kuhakikisha hizi classrooms tumemaliza in time. We are trying to increase classrooms kwa all our schools in Embakasi West.
Itatumalizia congestion na itatusaidia kwa sababu kwa syllabus ya secondary school tuko supposed kufunza vitu zingine kama home science, computer science, lakini hatungeweza kufanya hivyo kwa sababu tunahitaji kuwa na vyumba vya kufanyia hivyo. Kwa hivyo hivi vyumba vikija tunavyovipata, madarasa haya yatatusaidia tuweze kuanzisha hizo subjects zingine ambazo zitasaidia watoto wetu. Tunaongea juu ya ajira na subjects like those ones zinapatia mwanafunzi ajira.
Ni jukumu la kila Mkenya aweze kupata zile hati kulingana na sheria ya nchi. Katiba iko wazi, ni jukumu la serikali iweze kuangalia, iweze kujua hawa ni Wakenya, wanalipa ushuru. Tusije tukabagwana kwa sababu ya msingi ya wengine wako jijini Nairobi, wengine wako sehemu nyingine. Hawa ni Wakenya wote, wapatiwe nafasi ambayo ni ya kisawasawa, wote waende katika safu za kwanza.
Atongoria a kidini a 16 ni mandikithitie mendekithia maria makaneana mbere ya kamiti ya Mutava Musyimi iria yathukiirwo wira wa kurora uria makanitha mangiramatwo guku bururi-ini. Atongoria ya maugite kwa ihinda riri ni mahotete kwirugamirira na mitaratara ya thirikari kuingirira wira kana matirabatara thirikari gukorwo ikiingirira wira wao.
Mackenzie akoretwo mukora na thirikari na capacity ya kudeal nake nitwenda gutheria kanitha tukiuga ati kanitha ndwagirwo ni kuingirio thiini wa horo ucio ni tondu kanitha kuma kiambiririo ukoretwo wi mutheru. Undu ri ungi nitwenda thirikari ituhe ihinda ta umbrella bodies tuhote gutongoria maundu maria megemainie na kanitha ni tondu thirikari ndingihota gutongoria kanitha no utongorio ni muhunjia na riu nikio turenda thirikari ehe kanitha capacity ya kuhota gwe self regulate tutuike ithuĩ turemenya maundu maitu nigetha ona maundu ageka maundu maria matari mega tukahota kumurwa ari ithuĩ.
No ni turera ahunjia othe matikaigue makimaka ona mundu ndagakuruturure na kuu kana kumakie tondu watho ni ugwitikiretie kuhunjia, watho ni ugwitikiretie kuruta wira wa Ngai na ithuothe turaruta wira wa Ngai ithuothe twitikaniririe ati gutiri mundu no mwe uri urio kiuria nikio o mundu ni arorio aingire thiini wa umbrella bodies na umbrella bodies ici twina cio nicio turandika maundu maria tukuheana gwi task force iria iheanitwo ni mugathe president.
Aciari aria mari na ciana iri na wathe wa gwatuka kiromo ni moritio kwaga kuhitha ciana ciao kuona thina uyu no ukorwo ukirigitwo hindi iria ciana ici ciatwarwo thibitari-ini. Ni ndumiriri iri erekereirio ni murugamiriri wa gikundi gitari gia githirikari kiria kioikaine ta Love Without Reason, Seth Matthews akiuga aciari makoretwo makihitha ciana ici na hindi iria kwaheana uteithio na banene yao matiramukira. Matthews augite ni maranyitanira na mathibitari matiganite niguo guteithiriria kurigita ciana iria iri na wathe uyu. Wainaina wakiarie na ripoti ino.
Namba nene ya aciari aria mari na ciana iria iri na wathe wa gwatuka kiromo na uria uikaine ta cleft makoretwo makimahitha na kwaga kumakinyia thibitari-ini niguo marigitwo. Ni ndeto iria ihithuritio ni Seth Matthews uria niwe murugamiriri wa gikundi gitari gia githirikari kia Love Without Reason na kiria gikoragwo gigitangikira ciana ici guku bururi-ini.
A child with a cleft lip, we recommend 6 months and above, and we have operated on patients that are 70-80 years old as well. So there is no upper limit. In terms of the palate, we recommend 15 months and above. It's important that the child is in good health. It's important that the child's safety is taken care of. We take safety very, very carefully. We also want to make sure that all the recommended the requirements that is needed in terms of the fitness of the baby or the patient before the surgery is met.
Akiaria re thibitari ni umwe kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Mathias augite aciari aya kuhitha ciana ciao gucungiririe namba nene yao kwaga kwamukira uteithio kuma kuri ikundi itiganite hindi iria warekererio.
All over the world in different countries we were able to do nearly about 1,000 surgeries. Our doctors come from many different countries, including the local countries themselves. In Kenya, we have done this is going to be our 5th national camp, and we have reached over 250 patients.
Ongereire ati ni maranyitanira na mathibitari matiganite guku bururi-ini niguo kurigita murimu uyu kuona hindi iria ciana ici ciakinywo thibitari-ini no makorwo makirigitwo.
So our passion is that we want to work until the world is cleft free. We want to work until there are no more sold. So in that regard, we are open to working with the hospitals that are ready to have us.
Mwena-ini wa ataramu ni moritie thirikari kugacirithia NHIF niguo gutangikira ciana iria iri na wathe uyu.
Number one, as Kenyans to come out and assist and volunteer in any form, one or another, either through bringing these children to the hospitals or volunteering in cash and kind to just support these kinds of initiatives. But the second thing is for the government to develop policies that can safeguard people against catastrophic events, because as we know, the biggest challenge or the biggest reason why people don't come out to get treatment is because of affordability.
Niturehoka wiki ino nitukuhota ku reach about 50 to 70. Koguo nituroria aciari meyumirie aria mena ciana cina thina uyu moke mathondekwo tuhu nigetha tuhote gucenjia community na uria andu monaga the condition.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Gitau wainaina wa Kierie.
Muteteri wa ihoto cia muingi Mase Nogari ni amukirite ngoga kuma kuri gikundi kia atumia yake ya Afriglow ari njira ya gukurana wirutiri wake tabarira-ini ngurani cia gutetera na guteithia muingi. Kwitukira ceceni ya Kameme FM, Kameme TV hamwe na nenda-ini ingi cia ukinyaniria Nogari akoretwo agiteithiriria kuiguithania andu a micii, gucaria uteithio kuri family iria ihatiririkite ni ukia na ndwari, guteithia ciana cia ngoria yundu mwe na family iria endwa ao maranyaririkira mabururi-ini ma ugeni. Akiaria thutha wa kwamukira ngugi no hwai waira, Nogari ni agathiriirie urugamiriri wa kambuni ya Media Max ni itemi riayo ria kumurika na gutangikira mateta ma muingi.
The Lord. Thank you so much, Afriglow women, for encouraging us. We go through a lot when serving humanity. It is not easy, but by the grace of God, I do make it. I dedicate this award to the children I have rescued, to the families I have rescued. I rescued this boy while he was very young. He didn't even know his name. I never expected this. Sikuwa nafikiria, lakini kwa sababu ya Mungu. Today I'm recognized and I'm honored. And women, this was not a competition. It was an encouragement. We have been empowered to serve humanity. Let us do it at our level best. And also to my employers, Kameme TV, Kameme FM, Media Max family, for giving me a platform to serve humanity in our program Janjo with my colleague Manyari. God bless you. God bless you all our listeners. God bless you. Mungu awabariki sana. Mungu awabariki sana na azidi kuwainua. And may God bless you, Marcelina, and everybody in Afriglow for supporting us as women. We are
Haya, tugagekenerera uhotani waku muheshimiwa Nogari ni undu wa gukorwo ukihotana na gukorwo kiamukira ngugeo. Ngai wa muoyo rothi na mbere na kuongerera maguru maku hinya na gugituika mugambo wa aria matari na mugambo. Thie na mbere na gugika wega, Ngai nake ndagagutiganiria. Hongera sana muheshimiwa Mase Nogari. Tugithina mbere, maabitha wathani wa ugitiri mwena wa gwa Kongo wa dini ya Leshao Fodo gicigo-ini kia Ndaragwa kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni marutite mukana mururu kuri aici aria makoretwo makiagagia muingi mwena ucio. Kuringana na maabitha aya, turia nime tutu tukoretwo tukirongoreria ngukuna mburi cia aikari, undu uria ukoretwo ukiiga muingi na wagagu munene, no riu miriugo ya kuhitana nao nirikitie kuhurwo shafi. Magitongorio ni OCS wa gwa Kongo Philip Kirui, maabitha aya ni matariirie bata wa muingi kunyitanira na kuheana uhoro oro wothe wigi andu aria marekuira gutabania uici uyu.
Tena anatujua, anatujali na
unajua wale brokers wanatembea, wanakuja kwako, wanaangalia, wanasema nataka ninunue ng'ombe. Akishaangalia anatamani ng'ombe yako 2-3, ataenda kuna kijana mmoja mbili pia anaangalia, naona nitarudi, na ndio wanapanga hii wizi. Lakini tukiwa na livestock market, mahali ukitaka kununua ng'ombe unaenda kuangalia pale,
watu wanakuja wanaandikisha kuku yangu iliibiwa. Tukijaribu kuona mahali inauziwa hatupati. Tukiona hata manyoya mahali imetubwa hatuoni. Mwingine anasema kondoo imepotea. Tukijaribu kutafuta hata kwa vijinjio hatuoni. Kwani hii kondoo zinaendaje? Na hii kuku zinaendaje?
Ni gukoretwo na mathina tondu location ino ikoretwo na andu makiria ma 8,000 koguo na hindi ya sub chief mugram wirire akora kihorana na maundu megie njohi, maundu megie security ni undu rari muritu muno. No kwa ndagika ici kuringana na ni twagea na location, twagea na sub chief atatu itura ria Mbuyu, tondu sub chief uri rari kuo ni watuika chief riti hetwo na ni gugukorwo wira ucio kiheanwo.
Our chiefs na assistant chiefs tukuma equipera wabici aria matari nao ta ino ya reho muthenya wa umuthi ya Mbuyu. Chivo shintu ahokane ukorwa yakirwa wabici in the next financial year. Nituko tukiiquip wabici iria itari na furnitures. Sub chief sare na ma korwo magi confirm muthenya wa muthi. Ona tura hope no makugia na wabici.
Nikone tukoretwo twituritu no tuhugeretie kuhurana natuo. Wambe kukoretwo kwena mathina ma njohi ciari kuo mbere na ni hana hata igucoka no ni tuhuranite nacio na igathira njohi iria twitaga pombe haramu ni igithirite guku gutire. Ni tukoretwo na maundu ma bangi no ikora rĩngĩ nĩ rakenyua ihithĩtwo with informers no tukageria gũgĩteng'erania nayo tu kwanje yo niyo tuna.
Aikari a kaunti ya Laikipia ni moretie ruhonge rwa kũngania igoti KRA kũingĩra matũra-inĩ nĩguo gũthomithia mũingĩ njĩra cia kũrĩha magoti hĩndĩ ya mathomo ma gũthomithia na gũtara mũingĩ wa taũni ya Kĩamariga wa ndini ya Salama ũrĩa mabatie kũrĩha magoti. Onjoria hamwe na arĩmi nĩ maragĩire na kanya ga kũria ciũria iria ikoretwo ikĩmarigica gũkũ makiuga mathomo maya magukorwo na uguni munene kuri muingi. Akiaria kana aikaria maugite andu aingi makoretwo makihorwo faini ni ruhonge ruru kumana na ugondereru wa kuriha igoti, kuona aingi ao matikoragwo na utauku mwega wigie mutaratara wa urihi wa igoti.
Tondu tukoretwo tindumaine naguo na twenda guteithania na thirikari uhoro-ini wa kuriha igoti, tondu kuri maundu turenda mohoro wa thirikari na thirikari ino ya county government. Thirikari ino ni turende tuteithie no horo wa mai guku tondu tikoretwo na mai thirikari nene, na ni tukwenda ningi thirikari ino ya Joshua Irungu tuteithie no horo wa barabara. Already ni yambiriirie gwika uguo igatwirira maundu maingi thibitari barabara cia kumiria indo citu twarikia kurima mugunda, na koguo nikio turenda guteithania nao nigetha maundu maya makinyanire.
Kiuria kiria nyuma nakio hari andu a KRA ni ngumoragia kana no makoragwo magiuka gutucokeria returns guku Kĩamariga ni tondu aikari a Kĩamariga amwe no maremo gukorwo magithie Nyahururu gucokeria returns kuo, kana no makoragwo na officer wao ungiuka guku Kĩamariga na agatucokagiria returns guku.
Ta riu nie ndirenda kureherwo mai ma kurima, mbeca icio cikuma ku? Mbeca icio ri thirikari ri otora president witu ariga na munini wake ri tufatie uko tukiriha igoti nigetha muone mbeca.
Borithi ni mahithukitie njohi ngananie ya muigana wa mamilioni ma mbeca mwena wa Eldoret, kuria njohi ino irekeretwo cuba-ini na gucoka gwikirwo ibandiko cia kambuni itiganite niguo icokerekererio thoko-ini. Nyumba-ini imwe iria maabitha borithi maraingirire maratungirwo ni makiri ma macuba ciurite njohi na iria irari na ibandiko cia kuonania ni ikinyanirie ikiro iria ciagiririe. Hamwe na uguo maabitha aya marahithukirie mihuri ya ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti KRA.
Information from an informer, a very dependable informer, concerning distillation and the repackaging of second generation alcoholic drinks. Our team swung in action to this place, and therein we were able to recover 19 drums of ethanol that you have seen there, and including 77 boxes of various types of second generation alcoholic drinks in the name of Silver Star and Golden Silver Star and Golden Trim. So it is very bad. These are the second generation peers that our TRS government is not getting tax. These people are manufacturing very fake drinks to our wananchi, and so far we have one person arrested so far, and we are still following some other leads that will enable us to nab more culprits.
Riboti iyo niyo yagitwikira gaturumo mohoro maito ma miaraho eno ya umuthi tugagicokia ngatho niwe gukorwo nyitanire na ithuĩ na gututegera matu maku na gutuhe mahinda maku no tuguthii na mbere na gukwenjera mangi maingi maria tugukorwo tugikurehera mohoro-ini maito maria mekurumirira thaa imwe cia hwaini ni thiini wa mohoro matura-ini na thiini wa mutamburuko wa mohoro thaa 3 cia hwaini tugagikwendithiria wiroreri mwega wa tabarira iria cikurumirira undumwe na muthenya mwega muthenya murathime nie njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a tugutithanagia na Nyambura wa Musha mwathiriri witu na njira ya ciiko Ngai wa muoyo akwendia kurathime na kwandandurire mihaka yaku gia na miarahuko mega.
Kameme TV muthegi wa ruriri.